Hello, guys. Today we are going to be singing and learning shapes, and we'll also are going to get to see the delivery truck come by. Let's see if we can recognize these shapes. Watch out! Here comes the shape truck. Circle. Triangle. Square. Great job! We have sorted all the shapes on the trailer. Let's go hook it up now. Great, all the shapes are loaded up now. We can get going. Now we are going to be unloading the shapes and we'll see how much we have left. Let's go! One. How much shapes are on the tray now? There are 5 left. There are now 4 shapes left. 2. 3. Now there are 3 shapes left on the tray. 4. There are 2 shapes left on the trailer. 5. There is 1 shape left on the trailer. 6. Let's see how much we have unloaded now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how much do we have left? We have 0. Okay, let's load them back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Thank you for helping me. See you next time.